Hey folks, welcome to the channel. Just going to do a quick summary of my trades today. A fairly good day today. All the trades were a winner. All the two trades that I took were winners. So with my Bullinox account in the London session, we'd had a bit of consolidation here. Wasn't sure on direction, but we did sweep these highs, and then this looked like a topping formation. You can see this big candle here. We formed this bearish fair value gap. And at the start of the session, which is 4 a.m. for me, we pushed up and then rejected that fair value gap. So that's where I entered. It looked like a pretty clean one. Stop at the highs and just looking for a one-to-one there. So good trade there. And you could have caught a much bigger trade as well if you'd wanted to. These were obviously, these lows were obviously the main target. We formed one low and then another one, then we went higher. So fairly clean market today, in my opinion, even with the news. But yeah, so $169 on those accounts, and they're doing okay. They're slowly moving upwards. So happy with the Bullinox accounts. It was also a winner with my Apex accounts. Let me load those up. Takes a second there. Okay, so I think with the Apex accounts with my lower time frame strategy, I think I was fairly lucky, to be honest. So what I was seeing is we'd formed this was the high for me. This was the low. And we were basically chopping in the start of the session, but when I came to the charts, we started forming some structure here that suggested that we're going higher. So once we got this fairly good rejection out of the moving averages, I was like, okay, I'll take a long at the close of this candle. I think I took it on the 2-minute, and it looked a bit better for me, but essentially took a long there and just wrote it up for 40 ticks. That's my usual stop, and you can see here I got extremely lucky here, caught the exact top, pretty much top ticked it. I don't think you could get any more perfect than that. So I got really lucky there, and got the usual 40 ticks that I go for, and then the market just dumped after that, and after a bit of consolidation, dropped and then reversed. Yeah, happy with that. It was a pure luck trade, but given how choppy the scenario was right at the start of the session for about an hour, I'll take it. Like, you can't always, it's not always going to be clean. So when I get a win, I'm fine with taking it. I'm not going to get upset that I didn't get the direction right. So these accounts are slowly starting to come back. I was down maybe 800, 900 on this account. So starting to push it up. Starting to push it up now. Hopefully over the next month I can get it back to the 50,000, and then I'll perhaps add one more account. This one that's already a bit down. I'll add that one in, and maybe one more Bullinox account if that one's doing well. So I'm looking to add accounts as with performance essentially. So if I perform well over the month, and when I say well, I mean positive with a certain amount, maybe $800 per account. That's what I'm looking for. Fairly small amount right now that I'm looking for. I'll probably push it up if my win rate suggests I should. But yeah, if I have a decent month, get these back to around break even, then I'll feel fairly comfortable in adding one more account on both of them. But yeah, those were my trades today. So got lucky in London, got lucky in New York, and had a good trade in London. And I'll take that. That's fine. But yeah, hope you've had a good day today, and I'll call it there. Bye.